Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a new project and selecting 9:16. That ensures your short fits mobile feeds. Import your best vertical clips and stills, then drag them to the timeline so you can see pacing. Once done, make sure to set the project resolution to 1080 x 1920 and create separate tracks for music, voice, and captions. This prevents accidental overwrites and speeds up edits. You now focus on pacing and clarity. Trim each clip to its strongest moment and aim for 3 12-second shots so viewers don't lose interest. Use jump cuts to maintain momentum and apply speed ramps where emphasis helps storytelling. Once pacing feels right, balance audio with ducking so voice or hook stays clear, then apply a quick color grade and add captions that improves retention and accessibility instantly. You finish by exporting H.264 at 1080 x 1920 and 30 fps with an 812 Mbps bitrate. That balances quality and file size for posting. Once exported, preview on a phone to confirm captions, audio levels, and framing within vertical crop lines. If something goes wrong, for example export stalls, restart the app, clear Clipchamp's cache, reduce bitrate slightly, or re-encode the source clips. That typically fixes common errors without losing your edit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.